What's up, Lethbridge? Today I have a new suited listing for all of you investors out there. This 5-bed, 2-bath home is located just off of 9th Avenue North and has ample parking in the front and the back for both the upstairs and downstairs tenants. Here you're close to parks, schools, and grocery stores, and you're just a block away from 23rd Ave North that cuts through the city so that you can get anywhere in a flash. Now, this is one of the more mature areas of town, which means you get things like wider streets and way bigger lots. You also get these mature trees that canopy over the streets in the summer. That is just gorgeous. Now, I just wanted to stop right here and talk about the opportunity that you have in front of you. You see, me and my wife bought our first house years ago, and we actually bought a house with a very similar layout to this one. We lived in the basement and rented out the upstairs for years. Not only did the rent on the main floor cover the majority of our mortgage and utilities, but it also set us up for a fantastic financial future. And we actually still own this home today and have rented it out to fantastic families ever since. Now, in the main living areas of the home, you'll notice these big south-facing windows that lets in a ton of natural light, as well as this enormous kitchen with tons of cupboard and counter space. Now, on the main floor of this home, we have a total of 3 bedrooms, one of which is actually being utilized as the laundry room. Now, this is just my opinion, but I totally think that this main floor could easily be rented out for $14.50 per month. Now, this home actually has a side door that acts as a separate entrance down to that 2-bedroom basement suite that features a spacious kitchen as well as an open concept living space and even has its own separate laundry. And currently, this basement suite is being rented for $10.50 per month. So whether you're an investor looking to cash flow on a revenue property, or you're a first-time home buyer that's looking to offset some of your expenses, this home is a must-see. And if you guys want to see this home in person, be sure to contact me, Kurtis Hawkins, at the Real Estate One team. And if you never want to miss another video, just subscribe.